cotton swabs can go too far and cause pain. Smart Swab's secret is the soft, spiraled, grooved head, designed to go the perfect distance into the ear. Then, with a simple twist, latches onto wax and safely extracts it without injuring your ear.
Wow, I have never taken out that much wax before.
Very soft. It's way more comfortable than using a traditional swab.
I have never pulled out this much wax. That's crazy.
It definitely feels more effective than a normal swab.
And with our disposable, touch-free replacement